Unfortunately, Windows 11 users are no strangers to blue screen of death errors. Now, if you've been experiencing a lot of blue screen errors lately, here's what to do. First, run the camera troubleshooter, and you can do it by going to Settings, select System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, then select and launch a camera troubleshooter. Equally important, update your webcam driver to the latest version. To do so, launch the Device Manager, expand the webcam, or it depends on the type of webcam you're using. Then right-click on your webcam driver, select Update Driver, and then try to restart your computer. Moreover, reinstall your webcam driver by going back to the Device Manager, right-click on your webcam driver, and select Uninstall Device. Then, restart your computer, and it will automatically reinstall the driver. And that's how you can fix the blue screen error in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.